Hi Seahorses, it's Marian. We have another science experiment today. In today's experiment, you're going to definitely need adult supervision. So you're going to need to get an adult or your parent in the household to help you, because we are going to use a microwave and heat something up that's hot, and so I want to make sure you have the proper help that you need. So what materials are you going to need for this experiment? You're going to need a glass, and I'm using a mason jar, some water, and I'm actually just going to add a drop of food coloring. And you don't have to do this. I'm only doing it so that you can see the water better in the video. So that part you don't need to do. A glass bottle, a couple hot mitts, and a microwave. So this is the bottle, and you can see it just has a little bit of water in there, and I'm going to stick it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Okay, let's get the bottle out of the microwave. Remember, it's hot. And we're going to take it over and put it in the bottle. Okay, so let's see. Take a little time here, and then I'll explain what's happening. You can see it rising up. That was kind of cool, wasn't it? So it's not done, but while we're waiting for it to the water to go back up into the bottle, let me tell you what's happening here. The microwave heated up the bottle as well as the contents in the bottle. This caused the contents to expand, since it's got hotter, in a form of a gas. To take them out, it is now condensing because the air is getting cooler, so it's condensing, creating a vacuum to occur and sucking the water back up the bottle. And actually we'll do it a little bit more here. So how many people thought I could get that water from the jar up into the bottle? How many thought I could? How many thought, yeah, I'm not thinking she's going to be able to do that today? Well, I hope you had fun with it. I hope you learned something with it. And now I hope you take it another step if you would like to. So again, with your parents' permission, you could use some other liquids and try that by using maybe milk or orange juice, olive oil, whatever you and your parents decide on, and see if it works with those liquids as well. Thank you for joining me for the video. We love you, Seahorses. We miss you. Stay healthy. Stay strong, Seahorses. We'll see you soon. Thank you.